this entire year is our 50th anniversary, and Sage has been a very, very cooperative and kind partner for all the events we are planning. This is one of them, and you are privileged to be a part of it. So let me actually tell you how we are going to work. As you have found out that each table is a domain discipline specific table, and you have been assigned a faculty mentor. So the faculty mentors are one of the best in their domain. Now I'll go back to a dialogue from OMG 1, where Akshay Kumar tells Paresh Rawal, "मेरा काम है रास्ता दिखाना, उस पे चलना तुम्हारा काम." So don't expect this paper development workshop to be a spoon-feeding session. You cannot tell the faculty, the mentor, that okay, this is my idea, now tell me what to do. It is your job to discuss the idea, discuss other nitty-gritties, get the feedback, and then rework on it. It is obvious, even though the name says something, it is obvious that we cannot finish a full paper in a day. I mean, some people are doing, they are publishing maybe 150 papers in a year, that's what we are discussing, which actually means they are writing more than one paper a day. But I mean, at least we are normal human beings, so we do not really have that level of productivity yet. So the way we would work is very simple. For the first session, I would request each one of you, or the ones where you have 2 or 3 authors in the same paper, to discuss in detail your idea. Now what is detail mean? Detail means talk about the rationale, why you think this research is worth doing. Talk about the theories which you think are apt for explaining what you are trying to do. Talk about the proposed methods which you think would be right, and also the implications for research and practice which may come out of this research. Now once that is done for each table, the next session the faculty mentor would give individual feedback to all these participants. Post lunch, what we are doing, we'll first have an open house within the table. Because while you are listening to another person, another participant, you may also have some ideas which you may feel can be added or can be subtracted, can enhance something. So this will be a discussion but moderated by the mentor. And then we'll have a summarization where you propose what are the takeaways, what are the changes starting from morning till afternoon. And then Sage would take over and talk about some basic nitty-gritties which actually are becoming very serious issues these days. I don't know whether you follow LinkedIn, but you will find out that a huge amount of retractions are happening. And majorly they are from India and China. So there are many aspects of publication beyond the research or the final paper which you have, which is important.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Lakshmi Goyal. I am a faculty in the strategy area at IIM Ahmedabad, and I am just coming from the FDP workshop that was conducted by Vikalpa on the completion of its 50 years. I think it's an excellent initiative that Vikalpa has taken in terms of grooming some of the early career researchers, in terms of also helping them understand how they can craft their research better, in terms of forming proper networks, in terms of also enabling them to understand how to see interconnections between diverse streams of research. So it's been a wonderful experience for me so far to be a part of this particular initiative. Thank you.
It is my great pleasure to be part of the 50 years anniversary for Vikalpa, the Journal of Decision Makers, and along with that we are also holding the faculty development program where we were developing a number of research papers which has both academic relevance as well as policy relevance. It was a great experience throughout the day to talk to faculty members from many different institutes, many different ideas that they have discussed, the ideas that they have espoused and hopefully have been expanded upon. Going forward, I see Vikalpa as a great outlet for this kind of work which has not only academic relevance but also policy relevance. Overall, it has been a fantastic experience. I'm hoping that the participants will also have a lot of positive takeaways from this. Best wishes to all the stakeholders here. Thank you.
Today, we had a wonderful FDP session with faculty members who joined us from different parts of India. And I realized that sessions like this are always a two-way. We learn from participants as much as they get a few pieces and bits from us on how to publish and how to develop a line of research. I feel that all early career researchers need a platform like what we organized here to orient into the world of research and publication. It's very important to learn that research is one thing and publication is another. while there is a strong correlation between these two, they are not necessarily the same. So to be able to publish, one has to be a good researcher, and all good researchers should be able to publish.
Talking about IIMA faculties over here, I found them to be very, very kind, very considerate, very thoughtful in whatever feedback they are giving.
After attending this workshop, I can say surely that now my idea about manuscript is very clear. When I started my journey writing the research paper, and if I look back to that journey and compare today, I have a clear idea about what manuscript needs to be, starting from your abstract to your result section to your discussions. Now I can say that I can write a better manuscript after this workshop.
The purpose, I'm having a manuscript which is, we can say, half-cooked thing. So I'm just looking for the feedback from the faculties, from the expert from IIMA.
I'm glad to be a part of the IIMA FDP program, which helped me to participate in this manuscript development workshop in the collaboration of Sage to celebrating the 50 years of Vikalpa. The workshop enables me to understand the publication standards and navigate me with the publication process with a more clarity and confidence.
Multi-dimensional view that we are able to get at this workshop has been immense, and we thank the team Vikalpa for organizing something like this, and the team from Sage for supporting their initiative, marking their 50th anniversary in coming up with a wonderful journal like Vikalpa. Thank you, Indian Institute of Management Ahmedabad and the Vikalpa team.